Everyone, now I'm going to show you how to create a dashboard using Excel. This is my part 2 video. On my previous video I have shown you how to create a pivot chart. So similarly I have created 3 more pivot charts to make a dashboard. So here if you see on the next sheet I have created a sum of profitability with the film by having the journal and year as a filter. On the next sheet I have taken journal on my y-axis. This is a bar chart, journal on my y-axis, and I have taken the year as my filter, and I'm using the sum of the worldwide gross. You can change the sum to any other functions. As you see, sum, count, average, max, min, all the aggregated functions are available here. You can use any of the thing. Even if you choose an average, we can have a graph for the average of worldwide gross. And the next sheet, if you see, I'm having an area chart with the lead studio on my x-axis, and I'm having the count of profitability value with the year and journal as a filter. And here if you see, I have changed the grid lines here to primary minor this thing, and now I'll change this to primary major vertical, that's like a boxes and legend I have. And I have the data labels, but I don't want to use that. This is chart title, and these are the access lines. You can mention the access line as a lead studio here, and this is the access. So there are so many lead studios. If you want, you can filter this out by using, I'm just going to unselect all, and I'm going to choose which all I needed, so that it will be readable and it looks good. So same I have done for the 4 charts to make a dashboard out of this. So let's create the dashboard quickly. I'm opening a new sheet. I'm going to select all the cell. I'm going to choose any background color. Let me have this. So I'm just going to copy paste all the pivot charts which I have. So I'm going to align this so that it looks good. I'm going to zoom in. So now I'm going to, this looks good. So for even for the, if you want to try for a different charts, so here also the film is, there are too much of movies here, so I'm going to just unselect all. I'm going to select which all I need. Okay, and even if you want to choose a different chart, you have more options to choose over here. So I'm good with using that chart now, so I'm cancelling this. So after this will be automatically reflected over in your dashboard. So now in the dashboard I'm going to add a slices. So on the pivot chart tools, under analyze, you can see insert slices. I'm going to add year as a slicer, and I'll drag and drop that here, and I'm going to use a journal as my slicer. So I'm going to align this. So if I choose anything, this chart will be changing, but I want all the chart to respond to this change. So I'm going to just right click, report the connection to other available tables, which is using the year as a variable. So even for here I'm going to report the connection. So whenever wherever I have chose this journal, all the charts which is having the journal will be activated. So even for the years, the same thing. So for the alignment, I'm just going to click the top three, align to the top so that it will be aligned. I think I need to drag this bit more here. Okay, and I'm choosing the bottom and I'm going to align this, align bottom wise. Okay, yeah, I guess this looks good. And one more thing is, if someone, or if we move the cell, the graph will be expanding. We don't want that to happen. So I'm just selecting all the pivot charts, and I'm going to, on the size there is an arrow here, size and properties. Yeah, under this I'm going to properties. I am just choosing this variable, don't move our size with cells. So once I chose that, even if we move this, the charts won't be reflecting. So if I chose the filter over here, this will be reflected even on our sheets which we prepared already. So this is our dashboard using our Excel. Hope this will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.